So this is my YouTube channel Think Max. So show your support by subscribing to this channel and click the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. So you can check out the playlist on my channel. So there are playlists on areas related to circles. So and also the playlist on circles and all the chapter based playlist from class 10 CBSE. So also there is a playlist for math Olympiad questions and there is a playlist for sample question paper. So if you open the playlist, the videos are so you can check this. So there are class 10 max, chapter 7 coordinate geometry, introduction, example problems and exercise problems are all solved in this playlist. So you can check the playlist. Thank you. This is class 10 max chapter 12 surface areas and volumes. In this session we are going to discuss about the example problem 1. So here Rashid got a playing top as his birthday present which surprisingly had no color. He wanted to color it with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The entire top is 5 centimeter in height and the diameter of the top is 3.5 centimeter. Find the area he has to color. So here the property is the top. So this is the top. So which surprisingly had no color. So Rashid has to color it with his crayons. So which area he has to color. How is the shape of the top? So the shape of the top is a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. So surmounted means the cone in the cone hemisphere is placed on top. So surmounted means this hemisphere is placed on top of the cone. So this is the cone shape and this is the hemisphere shape. So this hemisphere is placed on top of the cone. Next what is given? The entire top is 5 centimeter in height. So total height of the top. So top means here a playing toy. So it is 5 centimeter in height and the diameter. So the diameter. So here you will find a circle in the hemisphere and circle in the cone. Both have the diameter 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the area he has to color. Now we shall look into this practically. Now this is the playing latu or top. So how this is formed? So this is formed by the cone. So this is the cone and this cone is surmounted by the hemisphere. So that is we have to place the hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere, half of the sphere. So this hemisphere is surmounted. So surmounted means placed on top of the cone. So this hemisphere is placed on top of the cone to form the shape of a latu. Okay, that is top. So this is how top is formed. That is a cone at the base and a hemisphere on top. So what happens if this cone has a base area in a circle shape? Also this hemisphere has a base area circle shape. This both circle shape will be hidden when we join this. So when we join cone with the hemisphere, both their circular area, that is base area, gets hidden. So only the curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the hemisphere should be calculated. So total surface area of this top is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. So here what is given? So this is transformed into a toy latu. So you can see here cone shape at the base. So cone shape at the base and hemisphere shape on top. So here there is a circular shape here. So this diameter is given as 3.5 centimeter and the total height. So total height of the cone is not cone. Total height of this toy is 5 centimeter. So with this, we have to find out the surface area of the top he has to color. Okay, children, do you understand this concept? Okay, so let us get into the problem. We have to calculate the area he has to color. Now we found out that it is the area, that is surface area of the curved surface area of the hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone. As this base area of hemisphere and base area of cone gets hidden when we join this together to form the toy top. Okay. Now what is given here? Height of the toy is 5 centimeter and diameter of the toy is 3.5 centimeter. So this in this base area, diameter is 3.5 centimeter for hemisphere as well as for cone. The base area diameter is 3.5 centimeter. So let us start calculating. So what are all given here? Height. So height of the toy. So height of the toy is equal to 3.5, not 3.5. Height of the toy is 5 centimeter. Height of the toy is 5 centimeter. Diameter equal to 3.5 centimeter. So radius R will be 3.5 by 2 centimeter. Okay, children. Now we have to find out the total surface area of toy. So total surface area of toy is nothing but curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. So for cone, curved surface area is pi r L. So we have to find out L. We will do that in the next page. So in this page, we are going to find out only the curved surface area of hemisphere. So what is the formula? Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi value is given as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, radius is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. So we can cancel this 2 and 11 2s are 22 and 1 2s are 2. Okay, children. Now in 7 table, this 1 7s are 7. Here 5 7s are 35. But a decimal is here. So it is 0.5. Now we have 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 centimeter. So just leave as such. We will get some simplification when we calculate the surface area of cone in the next page. Okay, children. From previous page, we have curved surface area of hemisphere, which is 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the next part, curved surface area of the cone, which is pi r L. So we know the radius of the cone, which is half of the diameter. So radius of the cone is 3.5 by 2. So r is equal to 3.5 by 2, which is 1 point, balance is 1. So put a decimal, 7 2s are 14. So balance 1, add 1 0. So it is 5 2s are 10. So 1.75 centimeter. Now we have to find out the slant height. To know slant height, we need R and H. Now we found out the radius of the cone. Now we have to find out the height of the cone. So height of the cone is nothing but from the total height, we have to remove the height of the hemisphere. So height of the hemisphere and radius of the hemisphere are same. So it is 3.5 by 2, which is 1.75. So height of the cone h is equal to 5 minus 1.75. That is, from the total height, we have to remove the height of the hemisphere or radius of the hemisphere. So what is 5 minus the 1.75? So add 1 0 after the decimal, it doesn't make any change. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. So make 1 4 here. So it is 10 and this is 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. So it is 3.25 centimeter. Now we have the height of the cone H and R. So next step is we have to find out the slant height of the cone, which is denoted by L. So from the introduction video, we know that L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. Okay, as this makes the right angle, slant height is nothing but H square plus R square. So the square root of what is H? H is 3.25 whole square plus what is radius? Radius is 1.75 whole square. Now we have to find out the value of 3.25 whole square. So let us take this as 325 square. Next we will place the decimal. Now take the last two numbers and leave this number 3 in a separate. So 25 square. So what is 25 square? First step, 25 square is equal to 625. Now we will partition into three parts. So first step, 25 square is 625. So write the last two digits here, 25, and the balance is 6. In the next step, multiply this 25 with the first number 3. 25 into 3 is 75, and multiply the 75 by power 2. So power 2. So 75 into 2 is 150. Now add with the balance. So it is 156. Write the last two numbers here and the balance 1 will be here. So in the next step, square the first number. 3 square equal to 9 and add with the balance. So 9 plus 1, it is 10. So it is 105625. So how many decimals here? 3.25 whole square. So power 2 means this decimal also will be square. So here we have 2 decimal. So if we square, it is 4 decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.25 whole square is nothing but square root of 10.5625. Next we have to square root 1.75 square. So 1.75 square. So this answer is just partition into three parts. Take 175. In this take the last two digits. So it is 75 square. 75 square is if it ends with 5. So the number will end with 25. Now multiply the first number with the next number. Consecutive number. 7 into 8 it is 56. So 5625 is the square of 75. Now last two digit is 25. Write that number here and the remaining 56 will be in the balance. What is the next step? Multiply 75 with the first number which is 1. 75 into 1 is 75 and multiply with this power 2. So which is 150. Now add with the balance which is 56. So the answer is 0 plus 6 is 6. 5 plus 5, 10. Balance 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 206. Write the last two numbers here. 0, 6. And the balance 2 will be here. What is the next step? Now square the first number. So it is 1 square equal to 1 and add with the balance which is 2. So equal to 3. So it is 3 here. So 1.75 whole square is the decimal will be 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3.0625. Now if we add both this, let us add here 10.5625 and 3.0625. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Balance 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 6, it is 12. Balance 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And a decimal 0 plus 3 is 3. And this 1. So it is square root of 13.6250. So now we have to find out the square root of 13.625. So let us do that. So make this way. It is 13.625. Now here the decimal is here. So before decimal and after decimal. That is left hand side of decimal and right hand side of the decimal. Make a pair. So here we don't have for 5. So write 1 0. So and this makes another pair. We can add 1 0. So after decimal, adding 0 here will not make any change. We cannot add 0 here. So here it is 13 and on the other side we have 62. So whose square number will be less than 13? 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. So 3 threes are 9 is lesser. So write 9 here. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. So bring this 62 down. So as we took the number after decimal, put a point here. Now add this 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So multiplying with which number we will get a number 462 are less than 462. So let us take 5. So 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So this is much lesser than 462. So let us take the next number 6 or 7. So I am going to take 7. 7 sevens are 49, balance 4. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. So this is greater. So we can take 66. So 66 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Balance 3. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So this is lesser than 462. So write 6 here and this 6 here. So it is 396. Now we have to subtract. So 5 here and 12 here. 12 minus 6 is 6 and this is 3 and this is 15. 15 minus 9 is how much 15 minus 9? It is 6. So 6, 6, 6. Next bring this two numbers 5, 0 down. Now here with the 6 add the 6. Add the 6 here. So it makes 72. Now we have to find out which number is equal to 6650 or less than 6650. Now we have to multiply a number here. So if we take 7 7 sevens are 49. So you can take 9. So let us try with 9. So 9 nines are 81. Balance is 8. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 8, it is 26. Balance 2. 7 nines are 63. So 63 plus 2 is 65. So we can write this here. So it is 729 and here we have 9. So it is 6, 5, 6, 1 is much nearer to 6650. So let us take here, this is 4, 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 4 minus 6 not possible. So make this 5 and this is 14. So 14 minus 6 is 89. Now we have the approximate as that is square root of 13.6250. So this is the way you can calculate the square root of the numbers. So square root of 13.6250 is nothing but 3.69 approximately. So it is equal to 3.69 can be approximated to 7. So approximately we have 3.7. So square root of 13.6250 is 3.7. This is the value of L. Now we have to find out the curved surface area of the cone and add it with this. So let us do that in the next page. So from the previous pages, we found the curved surface area of hemisphere. Radius is 3.5 by 2 and L is equal to 3.7. You can use the radius as 3.5 by 2 or 1.75. So if you use 3.5 by 2, we can easily simplify it by simplifying with numerator and denominator. Now we have to find out the curved surface area of cone, whose formula is pi r L. So pi value is 22 by 7, r is 3.5 by 2 and L is 3.7. So let us simplify this. 1 2s are 2 and 11 2s are 22. This is 1 2s, 1 7s are 7. So 3.5 is 5 sevens are 35 but we have 3.5. So it is 0.5 now. So we have 11 into 0.5 into 3.7. Now, total surface of toy, which is nothing but CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone plus CSA of cone. CSA of hemisphere is nothing but 11 into 0.5 into 3.5, and CSA of cone is 11 into 0.5 into 3.7. So take the common thing 11 into 0.5 outside, and the remaining we have 3.5 plus here you have 3.7. So 11 into 0.5, which is 5.5. So 5.5 into 3.5 plus 3.7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Balance will be 1. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 it is 7. So 7.2. So we have to multiply 5.5 into 7.2. So let us do 72 into 55. That is 7.2 into 5.5. So 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 is 36. Again we will get 360. So 0, 6, 9, 3. So the decimal is before two numbers. So it is before 0 and 6. So it is 39.6 centimeter square. So here also we will have centimeter square. So total surface area of the toy is nothing but 39.6 centimeter square approximately. As this value L is approximate value, so approximate value of the toy is 39.6 centimeter square. So with this, example 1 is over. Okay, children, thank you. Thank you for watching.